So, class, today we're going to talk about a few different ways to draw linear equations on graphs. All right, example one, we're going to be graphing with slope-intercept form. A reminder, our slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. If I look at my current equation, I do not have this. So I need to put it in slope-intercept form, which means I'm going to solve for y. So all I need to do is take away 2x, so y equals 3 minus 2x. So this means my slope is negative 2 over 1, because it's rise over run. Might make it easier for you guys. And my b, or my y-intercept, is 3. So what that means is we're going to intercept at 3 on the y-axis. We're going to go down 2, 1, 2, we're going to go over 1. We'll connect the dots. And we'll label it. So we have 0, 3, and we have 1, 1. That is graphing with slope-intercept form. Our next way of graphing is we're going to be graphing with the standard form. So I have my equation of negative 2x plus 3y equals negative 6. And I'm going to solve this equation two ways. I'm going to solve it when x equals 0, which gives me my y-intercept, and y equals 0, which will give me my x-intercept. So when x equals 0, we get 3y equals negative 6. So y equals negative 2. And when my y equals 0, 3 times 0 is 0. So we have negative 2x equals negative 6. So x equals 3. So y equals negative 2. So 1, 2, 0, negative 2. X is 3. 1, 2, 3. So I have 3, 0. I'm going to connect dots. And there is my next line. All right, our next problem, we're going to do few different steps. Our first step is obviously to read the problem. So sales for the firefighters benefit dinner were $19.80. So that's our total. The cost for child's dinner was $4.50 and adult's dinner was $6. Describe the number of children and adults who attended to reach this amount. So we need a formula. We have a total. We know children's dinner was $4.50 and an adult's was $6. So we have our total of $19.80 equals the $4.50 times the number of children plus the $6 times the number of adults. We can use the standard form of figuring out what b equals 0, so what our a is, and when a equals 0, so what our c is. So we have 1980 equals $6, so 6a. A is going to equal, I believe it's 330. 330, yeah. And then we have B or C. So we can figure out some 1980. A is 0, so we have 450 C. So C equals 1980 by 450, 440. Now what we can do is we can graph this. I'll put my number of children on the bottom. On the left, I'll put number of adults. I'm going to go every 100, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Same thing on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, where does it intercept A? It intercepts at 330. Where's it intercept C at 440? Make the 2. Here's our graph. Now we have to figure out a possibility. So I see 200. There's going to be an intersection. So what's this going to be? That graph's not perfect, so it might not get exactly there, but should be around 200. So let's figure that out. So I chose A for the number of children. So I'm going to take our formula. 1980 equals 450 times 200 plus $6 times A. So 1980 equals 5 times 200, 900 plus 6A. Take away 900, I get 1080 equals 6A. Divide by 6, I'm going to get 108. So, possibility number of children tickets equals 200. Number of adults equals 180. That is 2 different ways to solve linear equations and how to graph them.